Let's talk about the most common vitamin deficiency in migraines. Migraines can be debilitating, causing hypersensitivity to smell, sound, and sight. It can also increase the urge to vomit. Research shows that many migraines are genetic, but this doesn't mean you have to live with them. By understanding the epigenetics, you might be able to override this genetic weakness. In clinical trials, there was significant improvement in migraines, though some studies showed mixed or no results, possibly due to non-genetic causes. Migraines often affect the eyes, especially with one-sided eye problems. The mitochondria, which produce energy for the body, are often involved in migraine causes, particularly when they're underperforming. A dysfunction in mitochondria can trigger migraines, leading to brain overexcitation, free radical damage, and inflammation. The vitamin that plays a key role here is riboflavin, or vitamin B2. Normal amounts may not work, and a higher dosage, like 400 milligrams per day, may be necessary. B2 supports aerobic metabolism in mitochondria, allowing oxygen to help generate energy. Without enough B2, the nervous system becomes overstimulated, contributing to migraine symptoms. This vitamin also boosts glutathione, a key antioxidant that helps protect against oxidative damage. For migraine prevention, try taking 400 milligrams of B2 daily. If you feel a migraine coming on, you can take 100 milligrams every hour, not exceeding 400 milligrams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.